Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x80D05001 for Microsoft Store or for Windows Update, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So mostly it is for Microsoft Store, so I'll stick to it. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to sync the date and time. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Time and Language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Date and Time and then turn switches, all these three switches on, and then click on Sync Now and wait till you get a tick here. Till you don't get a tick, it's problematic. Once you get a tick, it's done. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to reset Windows Store cache. Okay, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Windows Store cache. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.